गोंयांत वाडत वचपी येरादारी नेमाचें उल्लंघन आनी रस्त्यार जावपी अपघातांचेर आळाबंद हाडपा खातीर सरकारान AI आधारीत स्मार्ट कॅमेरे बसयल्यात. येरादारी नेम मोडपी लोकांक आपोआप दंड दिवपा खातीर अपघात जावपी सुवातेर हे कॅमेरे बसयल्यात. मात ह्या नव्या पद्दतीन बसयल्ल्या कॅमेरा विशीं जायते प्रश्नूय उप्रासतात. नेमके कोणाक दंड भरचो पडटलो? भाड्यान दिवपाच्यो टॅक्सी आनी गाडयो हाचे संबंदी नेम कितें आसतले आनी हे नवे पद्दतीक लागून पर्यटक आनी पुलिसां मदले वाद उणे जातले काय?
पहिले तुज्या मनान इमोशन्स कितें आयले वेन दीस इंटेलिजंट ट्रॅफिक मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम आयले तेन्ना?
Raju, I do welcome it in principle that we require technology in order to handle traffic. Reason being, everything cannot be done humanly because of the ever expanding and number of vehicles on the road. So technology is the way forward. But how it is implemented and how it is being done, I was just going through the thing.
Yeah.
Now there is one in Panje Mirse Circle.
Yes.
The other one is at Verna. Now, the other are at different places. Now, I want to know whether they have taken an analysis of the
Yes.
traffic accidents that have taken place at this place
Yeah,
or no.
correct. So
Then only there will be some
सो
impact.
तूं म्हणटा अशें की हे कॅमेरा अशे जाग्यार बसोवपाक जाय जंय फाटल्या 1 वर्सान 2 वर्सान खूब एक्सिडेंट जाल्यात,
Correct.
चड वायोलेशन जाल्यात. सो अशे तरेचो सर्वे अशे तरेची तपासणी
Yes.
तांणी केल्ली काय कितें कॅमेरा बसोवपाक.
Yeah.
आनी इतले कॅमेरा बसयल्यात काय कितें की फूल गोंयचो तातूंत भितर एक आलेख आयला.
Yeah. Because see, let's put it this way, the traffic police, to the best of my knowledge, they do have a survey, they do analysis, they know the
Correct.
accident spots.
Correct.
I think the first priority needs to be at these places. Camera has to be effective.
Correct.
Otherwise, it gives an impression of, people will start saying this is only a revenue generating machine.
Correct.
I mean, to cut off that, let us be very clear that you have to have the reduction of deaths, reduction of fatal accident, reduction of accident per se.
Correct.
If the cameras are installed in that fashion, I think it is a welcome step.
Correct.